Here is a guide to change app permissions in your Android phone. You can use app permission to control what data or features app can access. Open Settings, then choose App, select App, and then Permission. You will find 3 choices: Allow, Don't Allow, or Ask every time. You can choose what the permission you need. Change app permissions based on their type of Android device. Open Settings, then go to Privacy or Security and Privacy on some devices. Tap Permission Manager or Manage Permission. You will see a list of app permission like camera, location, or contacts. App permissions are essential for controlling the resources and data an app can access. One of the most important features is enhanced privacy. Permission allow user to control which personal information like contacts, locations, photos app can access. If you have a question related to Android, click the blue link to reach out Android forum.